So in this part, we are allowed to use the calculator. You should have graphing calculator with you. Question 76. The function f is continuous on the closed interval from 0 to 5. The graph of its derivative is above. On which of the following intervals is function f increasing? So this is the derivative, and they want to find where is the intervals that the original function increasing. If you have that, look at x-axis. Any curves, any movement above x-axis will be considered as increasing. So the function, the original function, increased from 0 to 2 and also increased from 4 to 5. Above x-axis is increasing. So the function will be increased from 0 to 2 and 4 to 5. The answer is D. That's question 76. Question 77. The height of an object at time t is greater than or equals 1 is given by the equation h of t equals t squared minus 16 over t plus 15. And what is the velocity of the object at t equals 3? So as you know, this looks like position or distance or height. When you find the velocity, just do the derivative. So you could use a calculator here. We click on math and we scroll down to 8 or press 8. It gives us the derivative with respect to x. So click x here, tap x, and then type the function here. T, we could replace x instead of t. X squared minus open parenthesis 16 divided by x, which is t, and then plus 15. This is the function that we have. Then we scroll to the right at x equals 3. Enter. And it's going to be 7.778 or is 7.77. So the correct answer for that is B. Now we come up with question 78. Question 78. The function g is differentiable and satisfies g of -1 equals 4 and the derivative of g at -1 equals 2. What is the approximation of g of -1.2 using the line tangent to the curve to the graph of g at x equals -1? That means point at a equals -1. A equals -1. So here is, you're gonna set this equation here. You're gonna do y equals g of a plus g dash of a of x minus a. So g dash or g prime of a means the slope, and this is x minus a, and this is g of a, and we have now the value if it is -1. So it's going to be g of -1.2, g of -1.2 equals g of -1 plus the derivative at -1, and it's given, times x minus -1, which is +1. So we come up with this here. We come up with this. We know that g of -1, which is 4, and g of -1, which is 2, and this will be -0.2. This is -0.2. We evaluate that using calculator, or you don't have to use calculator. Simple calculation will be 3.6. So the answer is A.